The kingdom of heaven is like unto treasure hid in a field, the which when a man hath found, he hideth, and for joy thereof goeth and selleth all that he hath, and buyeth that field. Matthew 13:44. Because I am one with God, I am one with all people. Because I am one with life, I am one with everything that lives. I feel my union with people and with nature. I feel that I belong to life. I love life, and I enter into the joy of living. I enter into companionship with others, into cooperation with them, and I know that something within me reaches out and embraces the whole world. Something within me blesses everything it touches, brings life and happiness and joy to everyone. Something in me acts as a healing balm, restoring everything to its natural and native perfection. As I silently listen to the Spirit within me and think of its perfection, I know that I am being born into joy and hope and gladness, born into love and faith and assurance. Silently, I release every negative thought from my mind. I release it and let it go. And I too pray that they all may be one, as Thou, Father, art in me and I in Thee, that they also may be one in us.